Artificial intelligence, its capabilities and contradictions has been a topic of discussion at the gathering. Communications and Digital Technologies Minister Mondli Gungubele says key to exploiting technology advancement to grow the economy is connectivity. He says affordability is also important to ensure accessibility, and people should be skilled to take full advantage of technology. He says non-connectivity and being in far-flung areas and having no access to the internet deepens divisions.
AI is taking a central stage with regard to speed and scale of productivity and improving cost of productivity, lessening that cost, and making sure that we work differently in a number of areas, be it health, be it issues of crime, be it issues of farming, and so on. And the other major issue that actually touched me very positively is where we were participating on the school connectivity. There's a gig championship in the world, which is about connecting all the schools. And remember, when the schools are connected, it means we're training the entire society, especially in developing countries, at a foundational level.
One delegate says mobile telephones have boosted access to the internet, and it has brought solutions to various challenges in Africa in terms of business activities and bringing access to banking services as well as government services.
I think Africa is not, I wouldn't say it's left behind, but there is a lot that does still need to be done to ensure that we are part of the solutions for the world going forward. And so a key factor in that will be for us to ensure that our young people have access to the digital skilling. And that is something that we as NASFERS are doing, ensuring that young people have access to the digital skilling that they require. We're even reskilling. Even young people come from university with degrees. We are reskilling them to ensure that they have the skills that are actually very much required in the markets that we have today.
Others say there needs to be policy on reskilling the youth in terms of technology use to ensure that no one gets left behind.
And the key is reskilling the youth around cloud-based, around AI, and then big data. So those are kind of skilling that has to be a compulsory, that everyone must understand that the world where we're living in now, kind of like the fascinating thing that was been told that like you're able to buy a car, that the car will talk to you, that we're able to share in terms of what's like the car needs services, even book the car for himself for the service. So there's kind of fascinating things that are taking place that we have to make sure that now we no longer embracing it, we're doing it. If we don't do it, will be left behind.
Hani says countries that treat technology and artificial intelligence as priority areas will have an upper hand going forward. Dora Sefago Musi, SABC News.